And the first question is, what is your area of expertise? Well, as an organisation, our area of expertise really does go across the whole area of industrial strategy, services for manufacturers, and signposting them to the future. The next question, are you seeing manufacturers transform, and what advantages have they got over peers there that are not doing it? Many companies have yet to start the journey, but there are one or two examples where we followed companies of medium size in particular that have started this journey 18 months ago. One in particular has decided 18 months ago to put a collaborative robotics line into their manufacturing. They manufacture sophisticated, highly integrated electronic systems, around about 1,000 employees, and for the first time they wanted to get into using collaborative robotics on one of their assembly lines. And they learned a lot through doing it, and they learned that it was throwing out a lot of data and information to them, which they were able to use. They recognized they didn't have the right skills in the organization, and this is a well-known brand, a household name actually, that you would recognize. But in terms of manufacturing, they had the traditional production engineering, manufacturing engineering, design engineering type functions. They didn't know that they had to have predictive analysis engineers, and if they were to employ them, what difference that would make to their business. The chief exec said to me he didn't even know how to write the job description for these new roles they required to make this happen. But they worked very closely with their local university and were able to recruit the right people in. What they found was they doubled their employment because their productivity went up by 4 times after proper installation. So dispelling myths that this is about losing employees, it's not about that. It's about improving your interaction, the seamless interaction with your customers, and about making sure that you understand properly in the digital virtual world every aspect of your production processes so that you can optimize them seamlessly with design and all the other aspects of a manufacturing business. And that's exactly what they did. The next question, do you think digitalization is about continuous improvement? I think continuous improvement is, what I've seen over decades of my experience in the sector, is absolutely essential to stay competitive. Digitization is one component of that, but it means continuously improving in everything you're doing, from product innovation through to the service delivery you've got with your customers, through to how you're treating your employees. That continuous improvement culture is now well embedded in many of our sectors inside of manufacturing in this country, and digitization is another enabler of continuous improvement. The next question, as we're all peers together, what do you want to learn at Digital Talks 2019? I think for me, it's about that peer experience. It's about that shared experience of others and learning at this opportunity all about how other people have approached it, have started the journey, and really the results that they've been able to see, and also the mistakes they've made so that that can be avoided by others.